Lesson 35. Writing decimal numbers as fractions, part 1, and then reading and writing decimal numbers. Decimals are actually forms of fractions. Their denominators are named by the place value of the last digit. We are going to change each of these to a fraction. All right, you guys, we want to review what we learned yesterday really quick. If this is my decimal, what place is this? Yeah, Victoria. The tenths. And everyone, what place is this? The hundredths. And everyone, what place is this? Okay, good. So this is 3 tenths. This 0.3 is 3 tenths. The other way I like to remember it is there's one decimal place here, so there's 1 0. Let me see, where's your notes? Okay, and then this spot right here, it's in the second spot. And so this number is 3 what? Hundredths. Yeah, 3 hundredths. Another way that I like to remember this is there are 2 decimal places, and so I have 2 zeros here in my denominator. All right, and then the third spot, this 3 is in what place, you guys? The thousandths, okay? It goes tenths, hundreds, thousandths. So I actually put the 3 over 1,000. And again, count how many spaces here, and that's how many zeros. I'm going to pause the video and wait till everyone writes this down. All right, a quart is 0.25 gallons. Write 0.25 as a fraction. So it ends in what place value, you guys? Hundredths, okay? So again, it's tenths, hundredths. So this is going to be 25 over 100, or there's 2 places here, so there's 2 zeros here. And yes, this reduces to 1/4. 25 goes into 25 once, 25 goes into 100 4 times. All right, a kilometer is about 6/10 of a mile. Write 6/10 as a decimal. So I have 6/10. This is the same as, what do you think, Josie?
0.
Yes, 0 and 6/10, right? So 6/10 is in the tenths place, or think of this as 1 0, so it goes right in that first spot, okay? The length of a football field is about 0.057 miles. Write this with words, okay, with words. This one is not convert it to a fraction. This is write it with words. So we start with our whole number, which is 0. All right, and then everybody, we write the decimal as what word? And. Very good. Okay, and then we look at where this ends. And let's go with Benny. Where does that 7 end? What place value?
7 is in the 100.
Close.
Or it's in the 1,000.
Good job. 0 and 50. 7,000. Okay. Whenever to the right of the decimal, right, we always have the ths in the word. All right. Thousandths. And that would be that whole number written out in words. Okay, 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. Use words to write 2.54. All right, so I'm going to start with 2. And then Piper, what's the decimal? I agree with you that this ends in hundredths. Good job. What's the decimal? What's the word we use for decimal, everybody? And. There you go. And you were doing the hard part for me, Piper. All right, so then we've got 54. And again, this ends in that second spot. It goes tenths, hundredths. So we spell the word hundredth, and then we put the THS on the end, okay? Because we're to the right of the decimal. Write 21 hundredths as a fraction and as a decimal. Anusha, how would you write 21 hundredths as a fraction to start? Good job. Then we have to write that as a decimal. Miles, how would you write that as a decimal? Very good. Okay. Write 15 and 2/10 as a decimal number. Andrea, do you want me to go back? Okay. All right, hold on. 15 and 2/10 as a decimal. Sasha, what do you think? Okay, good. 15 is our whole number, okay, that goes on the left of the decimal. Yeah, then we have the word and, so there's your decimal. Yep, and 2/10 is in that first spot. The first spot is the tenths place. Did you write that down? Okay, let's try it on the whiteboards.